In this box right here is a tool that I think everybody should have. It is one of the, if not the most used tool on the job site. I got this tool back in December. It was like a Black Friday deal 4 years ago, and I got it because it was like spend so much money, get so much off, and you get like a free battery. Okay, let's open up the box and I'll show you what it is. And that is the Milwaukee SDS Plus, model number 2712-20. I got this tool just out of a whim, and I had no idea how much I would be using it. It is one of the most, if not the most used tool on the job site, day in, day out. The other really close competitor is probably an Impact, but I have a lot of Impacts. But I am usually brand loyal. I do got a lot of Impacts, but we'll get into that in a later video. But for now, this thing is awesome. Everybody should have one. And I'm going to show you how I store it as well. And then I'm also going to show you a couple videos of it being used. We did drill a 2-inch hole through a 10-inch poured concrete wall, which obviously ate up the batteries, but just kept feeding it. But it didn't. So let me turn you around, and I'm going to show you what's in the box. I do keep it in this Milwaukee pack out. I usually keep, I got the drill, I have the battery, here's a plethora amount of bits, SDS Plus bits, by the way. Underneath, I have a place for fasteners. I obviously need to get a little more on that side there. Inside of this container, there's some more bits. I have a T25 for the screws in there, and then I usually have 5/16 in there, but it must have got used and not put back. Under here, some more anchors. We've got these big lags right here. Does just fine drilling for those. These little redheads, as we like to call them, has the red road runner on it, and then some more fasteners. Little unorganized. Has a little bit of rust in it, but it's okay. But this box, it's perfect for this. Always keep a charged battery with it. Then we'll put the battery in it. Okay, now, let me take the bit out here. There's a couple settings on here. You have hammer, drill, then you have just drill, and then you can also use it for chipping as well. So if you go all the way over, there's a little thing of a chipper, and then you got just hammer. Of course, the main one we usually use is this. This is nice on like getting rid of towel off, ripping up old towel, whether you replace it with new or whatnot. This chuck is a little beat up, but it does work. Just kind of just push it in and pull it back a little bit, twist it, and it locks right in. And that's on hammer drill. But all in all, that tool is awesome, and I really think everybody should have it in its arsenal. I do really want to try the little M12 SDS. It seems like it just hooks right onto your belt. It would be pretty convenient to have, because you don't always need stuff this big. Of course, there is bigger, but it depends on what your job requires. But everybody, thanks for sticking along. Everybody get one. Everybody try it. Let me know in the comments what your most used tool on your job site is and what you use personally. I'll see you on the next one.